Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Nissan Altima window, only way. Begin by lowering the window and removing the door panel to expose the regulator and motor assembly. Take photos of screw locations and clip placements to make reassembly easier. Lay out parts in order and inspect the regulator for broken gears or a seized motor. Replace damaged parts and test the mechanism before sealing the panel back on. Start by disconnecting the battery and then remove the small trim pieces around the handle and switches. Carefully unplug any electrical connectors and set them aside to avoid strain. Remove all visible and hidden screws, then use a trim tool to release the door panel clips. Lift the panel straight up and away to avoid bending tabs, and set it on a soft surface to prevent scratches while you access the regulator area. First, support the glass with tape or a helper to keep it from dropping when bolts are removed. Unbolt the regulator and motor assembly and maneuver it out through the access opening while watching for wiring or clips. Position the new regulator, fasten all bolts to the proper torque, and reconnect the motor wiring. Lower the probability of misalignment by testing the window's full travel before reinstalling the door panel and final trim pieces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.